Okay, Gary, I'm out here. I don't know where I'm at, Gary. There's so much snow blowing, and I'm out here somewhere. I think I'm on a street. I'm pretty sure, Gary, that I'm on one of the streets because I can see stoplights up here. Traffic's heavy, but it's not that heavy because it's all in one lane. So if everybody would just drive in both lanes, it wouldn't be heavy. And also, if everybody could just go the speed limit, there wouldn't be any traffic problems. However, Gary, I have noticed quite a few spin-outs, some people that's probably never driven on snow before in their life, let alone the ice that we have underneath the snow. And I just recommend that if you don't need to get out, you probably shouldn't get out. And back to you, Gary. This is Rick. I'm just reporting in. Now over here, Gary, we have a scene, a little incident looks like where somebody's pulling somebody out. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a scene, and we're gonna make it through the little green light here. Follow this little 350Z. Because I'm pretty sure my Nissan Titan will go anywhere that the 350Z will go. There goes, wow, there goes a big truck by me, Gary. Man, just really living on the edge there. Yeah, if you don't have to get out, you probably shouldn't get out. Back to you, Gary.